All right, welcome back, and we just released the pressure from the pressure cooker, so we're just gonna leave that and finish up our salad here. So we just added cucumbers, two cucumbers, small, uh, those baby ones, because I like those. Two tomatoes, those small tomato, um, onion, and a green pepper. Although you can use any pepper, I guess. Um, and then now I'll show you what it looks like actually. I also added some cheese. So it's sheep cheese. I'm not going to tell you where it's from. In the US, it's very difficult to find, anything from Macedonia. So I'm going to add some olive oil to this now. I don't really measure. I just, my gut tells me that's enough. So that's that. I already added some from before. And some red wine vinaigrette, or vinegar, excuse me. Red wine vinegar. I like a lot. Some salt. A shake of sea salt. And then some pepper. And then you stir it around. And I like to give it a couple of stirs, not just one stir, a couple of stirs. I leave it and then come back to it, stir it again until it's pretty much how I like it. I adjust to taste. Unfortunately, you can't take out. You can only put more. So you gotta be very careful. It's a very quick salad to do. I chopped everything up in less than 10 minutes. And yeah, it's just very easy. And I had this every day when I was in Macedonia. I really liked it. So now that that's it, we're going to leave it for now, come back to it. So while we're doing that, we're going to open up the pressure cooker. So that's done. And look at this steam. Now from here, that's very good. All you have to do is take this, like a potato masher, and just kind of give it a mix. Combine the ingredients, make sure that the chicken is thoroughly shredded. So this might take a while. This is the stirring aspect of it. As you can see, it's very fast. Usually this takes a longer time. Now it might seem a bit watery in the beginning, but I guarantee you after comes some stirring, that kind of water would somehow, I don't know why, but it seems to have, like, I guess, mixed in with the thickness of everything else. So that's pretty much it. And when the chicken has reached its shreddedness, then you can just stop, and then you go. That's it. That's it. It's finished. Now some people can add. Usually they want to add some butter, but I kind of you don't want to make this too unhealthy, even though you can if you want to. But I'm gonna skip that and just stick with the fat that was on the chicken. There was it was skinless chicken, so I'll just leave it like that for now. It's gonna be very, very hot, so I'm just gonna put this over in the sink and I'll taste it for you. Actually, I'll stir the salad, taste that, and then I'll come back and taste that. Try not to make a mess in my kitchen here. So let's give this another stir, and we'll try this. A little bit of everything here. Pepper and some onion. And of course you have to have the cheese. Sometimes this becomes a search for the cheese. So we got a nice little everything here. I forgot the parsley. But you can add some parsley if you like. I definitely think it's needed. I think it gives it a better taste. And this, time to give the harissa a try. Oh, it smells wonderful. It really is great. There's something about the farro that just makes the dish really taste like great. And then you, for some reason, you feel good. It's like sometimes when you eat oatmeal, you feel much like so much happier for some reason. This also, and it's perfect for lifting weights. If after you lift weights or before you lift weights, this is really good. Wow, that's great. That's really good. It's easy, nutritious. It needs some salt, but we're not going to put any salt. But it might need also a little bit more of that 7 spice. But I think I'm going to leave it this way. I'm not going to add anything to it. Because salt's, I mean, I'm trying to watch my salt. As you can see, I put a lot of salt in the salad, so I got to, sacrifice, right? So there you go. I got this idea to make the easiest dishes from the two countries two of the countries that I've been to. And I'm not the greatest cook, and so these are easy dishes that anybody can make. And I hope you try them. And you can always let me know what you think in the comments. I might want to try other dishes as well for fun. So we'll see how that goes. Anyway, thank you very much, and until next time.